Wood furniture styles play a pivotal role in modern home decor, offering a range of benefits that enhance both aesthetics and functionality. As interior design trends evolve, wood continues to be a favorite material, celebrated for its natural beauty, versatility, and timeless appeal. The integration of wood furniture into contemporary spaces enriches the overall atmosphere, creating environments that are both inviting and sophisticated. One of the primary advantages of wood furniture is its inherent warmth and character. Unlike cold, synthetic materials, wood exudes a natural charm and can instantly make a space feel more welcoming. The rich textures and unique grain patterns found in different wood types add depth and interest to any room. This warmth is particularly beneficial in modern homes, where minimalistic designs can sometimes feel stark or impersonal. By incorporating wood furniture, homeowners can cultivate a cozy ambience that encourages relaxation and connection. Hello there! Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of unique wood furniture and wood decor pieces ideas you can make for profit. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. In addition to its warmth, wood furniture offers remarkable versatility. With various styles ranging from rustic to sleek and modern, wood can seamlessly complement a wide range of decor themes. Whether it's mid-century modern, Scandinavian, or industrial, wood furniture can adapt to different aesthetics while maintaining its unique character. This adaptability allows homeowners to experiment with different design elements, making it easier to refresh their spaces over time without the need for complete overhauls. Furthermore, wood furniture serves as a timeless investment. While trends come and go, wood remains a classic choice that endures through changing tastes and styles. High-quality wooden pieces can last for decades, often becoming family heirlooms passed down through generations. This longevity not only provides economic value, but also fosters a sense of history and nostalgia within a home. The emotional connection to well-crafted wood furniture can enhance the overall experience of living in a space, as each piece carries its own story and significance. The aesthetic appeal of wood furniture is further amplified by its ability to blend with other materials. Contemporary design often emphasizes the interplay of different textures and finishes, and wood pairs beautifully with metals, glass, and textiles. For instance, a wooden dining table can be complemented with metal chairs or glass accents, creating a dynamic visual contrast that adds interest to the room. This versatility allows homeowners to curate personalized spaces that reflect their individual styles while embracing a modern sensibility. Wood furniture also contributes to a sense of sustainability and eco-friendliness in home decor. As more consumers become aware of environmental issues, the demand for sustainably sourced materials has increased. Many wood furniture styles prioritize responsible forestry practices, ensuring that the wood is harvested in a way that minimizes ecological impact. By choosing wood furniture, homeowners can align their purchasing decisions with their values, supporting sustainable practices that benefit the planet. This commitment to sustainability not only enhances the home's aesthetic, but also instills a sense of pride in making environmentally conscious choices. Moreover, the tactile qualities of wood furniture enhance the sensory experience of a home. The smoothness of polished surfaces, the warmth of natural finishes, and the visual appeal of intricate grain patterns all contribute to a rich, multidimensional experience. This sensory engagement can elevate everyday interactions within the home, making simple acts, like sitting at a wooden table or resting against a wooden chair, feel more pleasurable and grounding. The connection to natural materials fosters a sense of well-being, promoting a calming atmosphere that encourages mindfulness and presence. In modern home decor, wood furniture styles also emphasize functionality and practicality. Many contemporary designs prioritize ergonomics and usability, ensuring that furniture not only looks good, but also serves a purpose. For example, a well-designed wooden sofa can provide both comfort and style, while a wooden shelving unit can offer ample storage without sacrificing aesthetics. This focus on functionality aligns with the needs of modern living, where space is often at a premium. By choosing wood furniture that is both beautiful and practical, homeowners can create environments that enhance their daily lives. Another important aspect of wood furniture styles is their ability to promote a sense of connection to nature. In a world increasingly dominated by technology and urban living, incorporating natural elements into home decor can have a soothing effect. Wood as a natural material brings a piece of the outdoors inside, creating a harmonious balance between the two. This connection to nature has been shown to reduce stress and improve mental well-being, making wood furniture a valuable addition to any home. The warmth and organic quality of wood can transform a space, fostering a sense of tranquility and peace. Furthermore, wood furniture styles encourage craftsmanship and artistry. Many contemporary designs emphasize handmade or artisanal techniques, celebrating the skill and creativity of the makers. This appreciation for craftsmanship enhances the narrative of each piece, as homeowners can feel a deeper connection to the furniture they choose. Supporting artisans and local makers not only contributes to the preservation of traditional skills, but also promotes a sense of community within the design world. The stories behind handmade wooden furniture can enrich the overall experience of living with these pieces, creating a more meaningful connection to the home. The use of wood furniture styles in modern decor also reflects a growing trend toward personalization and individuality. As homeowners increasingly seek to create spaces that reflect their unique tastes and lifestyles, wood provides a versatile canvas for expression. From choosing specific finishes and colors to selecting custom designs, wood furniture allows for a high degree of personalization. This focus on individuality enables homeowners to curate environments that resonate with their identities, making their spaces feel truly their own. Moreover, wood furniture styles can enhance the overall value of a home. Well-crafted wooden pieces often hold their value over time, making them a wise investment for homeowners. A beautifully designed wooden dining table or a custom-built bookshelf can significantly elevate the aesthetic appeal of a space, attracting potential buyers should the homeowner decide to sell. This added value underscores the economic benefits of investing in high-quality wood furniture, making it a practical choice for those looking to enhance their living environments. In addition to economic and aesthetic advantages, wood furniture styles foster a sense of comfort and nostalgia. Many people associate wood with memories of family gatherings, childhood homes, and cherished moments. This emotional connection to wood can create a warm and inviting atmosphere, making a house feel like a home. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked unique wood furniture and wood decor pieces ideas you can make for profit. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.